7 stages of alchemy. What are they? First up, calcination. Physically, it's burning a substance to ash, purifying it. Mentally, it's burning away the ego or old beliefs to start fresh. Stage 2, dissolution. Physically, you dissolve the ashes in water, breaking them down. Mentally, it's letting go of old rigid thoughts, embracing emotional flow. Stage 3, separation. Separation is filtering the pure from the impure. In the lab, you isolate key elements. In your mind, you identify what serves you and let go of what doesn't. Stage 4 is conjunction. Conjunction combines the purified elements into something new. Physically, it's a chemical union. Mentally, it's integrating your heart and mind for balance. Stage 5 is fermentation. It introduces a catalyst, sparking transformation like rotting into wine. Mentally, it's a rebirth, new insights or spiritual growth. Stage 6, distillation. Distillation purifies through heating and condensing. In the lab, it refines substances. Mentally, it's clarifying your thoughts for higher awareness. And stage 7, finally, is coagulation. Physically, it's forming the philosopher's stone, a solid essence. Mentally, it's achieving inner unity, a transformed, enlightened self.